Right now, you're moving at about 1,000 miles per hour, even if you don't feel it. That's because the Earth is spinning. But what if all of a sudden it just stopped? What would happen? Earth's spin keeps everything working. It gives us day and night, controls the weather, and even shapes the planet. If it stopped, things would get bad, fast. Let's see what would happen. If Earth stopped suddenly, everything on the surface would keep moving. That means people, cars, and buildings would fly forward at over 1,000 miles per hour. It would be total destruction, like a massive worldwide car crash happening all at once. The air wouldn't stop either. Huge winds, stronger than any hurricane, would rip across the planet, flattening trees and buildings. Oceans would surge, creating monumental tsunamis that would engulf coastal regions and low-lying lands. The sudden stop would also trigger massive earthquakes as the Earth's crust adjusts to the new conditions. After the first disaster, things would keep getting worse. Half the Earth would always face the sun, while the other half would stay dark forever. The sunny side would turn into a burning desert, with temperatures soaring past 93 degrees Celsius. Plants and animals would die quickly. The dark side would freeze solid, dropping to minus 129 degrees Celsius. The oceans would start to freeze over on one side while boiling away on the other. Storms would grow huge and never stop. Snow and ice would build up on the dark side, while wildfires would rage on the hot side. The shape of Earth would change. Right now, it's slightly wider in the middle because it spins. Without that, gravity would pull everything toward the poles. Oceans would flood some places, while other areas would dry up completely, turning into vast deserts. Earthquakes and volcanoes would go wild as the planet adjusted. The sudden stop would send shock waves through the crust, causing massive cracks in the ground. Supervolcanoes could erupt, filling the sky with ash and blocking out the sun for months or even years. And without a spinning core, Earth's magnetic field would weaken. That means harmful solar radiation would hit the surface, destroying the atmosphere and making life even harder. Without protection from space radiation, cancer rates would skyrocket, and electronic devices could stop working due to constant solar storms. With extreme heat, cold, storms, and radiation, most life wouldn't stand a chance. Maybe some deep-sea creatures, bacteria, or underground animals could survive in small pockets of warmth. But humans, we'd need underground shelters, artificial light, and a way to create food and oxygen just to have a chance. If Earth ever stopped spinning, life as we know it would be over. Luckily, that won't happen. But this shows how much we depend on Earth's natural balance to survive. What do you think? Could anything survive? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.